Hi, I'm Kara from SkyComp Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze panes on your worksheets so you can completely cut out following data with your fingers. So this is the example worksheet that I'm going to use. I am going to be following the month name for each country, and instead of having to follow with my finger and the whole squinting, we want to completely cut that out. So we're going to freeze the pane so we can easily follow that and keep the headers on the top and on the side. So first I'm going to show you how to freeze just the top pane. So if you want just the headers, so you can follow along if you're moving down on your worksheet. So you're going to go to View and Freeze Panes, and you're just going to select Freeze Top Row. So now when I'm scrolling down on my worksheet, I can easily follow along with that header so that I know exactly what information I'm looking at. Now to undo that, you'll just select Freeze Panes again and unfreeze. So as you can see, it stopped it from following along. Now we're just going to freeze the very left-hand column. So if I wanted to follow along with segment, you're just going to go to Freeze Panes and Freeze First Column. And now when you go side to side, you can see that that first column follows you. Now this is very useful if you have a very long worksheet, but also if you have a very wide worksheet. So now we're going to unfreeze that very first column. So if you have to follow your data not only horizontally, but vertically, you can freeze both. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and you can actually customize this any way that you want. So under View, you're going to go to Split, select that. Now you're going to see these two gray lines appear on your worksheet, and these are the two that you can move to customize exactly where you want it to freeze. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to freeze the very first column, so segment, and the very top column, so the headers. So we're going to bring this right over to the first column, and the second one will move right up to the headers. And it's as easy as that. And now you can scroll back and forth. As you can see, the very first column stays put, so you can follow it horizontally. And not only that, but you can also go up and down, and the headers stay with you, as well as the segment column, so that you can follow that along as you go as well. Now to undo this, you're just going to hit Split again, and it brings you right back to your normal worksheet. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope this was as helpful for you as it was for us here at SkyComp. If you'd like to watch more Excel videos, you can click here or here. We'll see you again next time.